Okay, a little bit of vocabulary on this one. We're looking at factoring GCF of monomials, or factoring the greatest common factor of monomials. What does it mean to factor? Factoring means to break into products. If we go back to the last video, it's going to start with prime factoring, which is the factor tree. We're going to be bringing down the pairs. There we go. And in this instance, we're going to start throwing some variables into it also, but it's going to be the same idea. Just like the numbers, the variables are going to work the same way. All right. 6j to the third. I'm going to prime factor that. I can do that without a factor tree. 2 times 3 times j, j, j. Is that good? Move over here. 4j squared. Well, 4j squared is 2 times j times j. There's everything prime factored. Now I'm going to find the pairs. Okay, well, there's a 2 and there's a 2. There's a pair. Let's bring it down to our final answer. Here's a j. There's a j. That's another pair. Bring it down. There's a j. There's a j. There's another pair. Bring it down. My answer is 2j squared. What does that mean? It means that 2j squared, put it here, 2j squared can divide into 6j to the third. If I write 6j to the third over 2j squared, this will simplify down to what? 3j. It means that if I go 4j squared divided by 2j squared, that just becomes 2. It means that they divide in nicely with no remainder. Here's the next one. Well, can we do this one in our head a little bit? I have a 15, a 10, a 5, and a 5. What number can divide into 15, divide into 10, and divide into 5? The number 5. Now, I have a c to the third, a c to the third, a c to the fourth, and a c to the second. Take the lowest exponent. Take the one with the lowest degree. C squared. Because a c squared can fit into a c to the third, a c squared can fit into a c to the third, a c squared can fit into a c to the fourth, a c squared can fit into a c squared. A 12 and a 3. What do you think? A 12 and a 3. What number fits into a 12 and fits into a 3? A 3. Once again, take the lowest degree variable, j. Lowest exponent. You know, let's put that up on this one too. Take the lowest exponent. Take the lowest exponent. All right, that's it for this one. Thank you for watching. I will see you in class. What was that? Under 5 minutes.